Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hivebloom app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hivebloom is a beekeeper assistant app designed to help users monitor and manage hives efficiently. It offers features such as hive health tracking, inspection scheduling, honey production records, maintenance reminders, and detailed activity logs. The app also supports multi-hive management, historical data tracking, and visual tools to simplify beekeeping tasks. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated by hobbyist and professional beekeepers for its organized interface, reliable reminders, and ability to access past records to improve hive health and productivity. Users find it helpful for planning inspections, managing multiple hives, and maintaining detailed notes on hive conditions. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features, such as analytics and detailed reporting, require a subscription. There are occasional syncing issues, and offline functionality is limited. Beginners may find certain terminology or features a bit challenging at first. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Hivebloom app may be worth using if you're a beekeeper looking for a structured, mobile-friendly solution to track and manage your hives. It shines in organization, convenience, and hive monitoring. However, premium features and offline limitations may affect the experience for some users. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.